Well, by the highway, just to document where I'm starting from, see where the trail goes. Everything has grown quite a bit over the summer, and it's a little wet. Not a lot, a little wet. Riding the TTR, it has about an hour since it was rebuilt, so it's getting some exercise, breaking in. Need to ride it a bit and then change the oil. I kind of don't want to make the bike a total mess because cleaning it up isn't terribly easy. I don't have a hose or water. I just have a pesticide sprayer that's only had water in it. So I get 2 gallons for a bike wash to make it work. I don't know jack shit about off-roading. So I'm learning and trying not to hurt myself in the process and get stranded while I break my bike in and not myself. So there's a little water flow down there. Everything's very green, which means it's also very humid. I'm riding at the end of the day. It's about 4:30 because I didn't want to go ride in the heat. Got some water with me, got my phone in the sort of camelback thing. Had to find a way to carry it. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall out. I zipped it up as best I could. Because having to go back and look for my phone would totally suck. I don't know how far the trail goes here. Ooh, these are usually these ugly water crossings. I don't really want to get that shit on my bike. Or on me. It looks kind of ugly. If it weren't for that, I would have no qualms about just blasting through it, but it looks so gross because it's usually totally stagnant water. I've had a little rain this week, so water's been flowing, running off, but it's ordinarily just super still and puddled. There are little spots where you can climb up the hill there, go around. If you plan ahead, I guess. I'm mostly taking it easy on the motor. There's a little ramp that goes up to the upper area there. Goes up to a traffic light at one of the side streets. The actual walking path is on the other side of the water. You can see the sidewalk down there. You'll see people driving on it, bicycles. This side, though, is the dirt side. Not that that has anything to do with my choice. It has everything to do with my apartment's on that side. And I don't know how I'd get across the water. I don't know how deep it is. I doubt it's very deep, but until I know, I wouldn't want to try to cross it and find my bike submerged. I know, it's not very adventurous. Now what would be cool is to set up a ramp somewhere on both sides so you could just jump the water. That would be cool. I don't see any plywood lying around or anything though. Little TTR is just a 4-stroke motor, so it doesn't go very fast, but it's got decent, simple power. A true stroke, I'd probably have to be screaming along here. Not exactly my skill range at this point. This is just chugga chugga. Let's go around that. It's probably full of mosquitoes. Yuck. There's my street going over my head. Whew, I'm gonna sit down, my legs are tired. Oh, I'm gonna stand up. There we go. The suspension on the bike wasn't exactly designed for the bike. I put larger wheels on it. What do I got here? Okay, looks like a little side road thingy. Now, I have seen alligator skeletons down here before, but I have not seen an alligator yet. Nor do I want to be quite honest. I think I could outrun them, but I see myself crashing, falling off, and then having to fight an alligator. What do I know about fighting an alligator? Stay away from the mouth, I guess? Who knows? That's kind of a pass-fail exam. Learn by doing. There's another one of those little roadway things that goes up there. I don't know how far I can go until I get blocked by something. I mean, I've seen pickup trucks driving on this, so how challenging can it be? And I don't mean like lifted 4x4. I mean like common F-150 kind of thing. What is that, a traffic cone down there in the water? Okay, what do we got here? Don't want to make a mess. If I were coming up from the other side, land right in that puddle, that could be very messy. Okay. What's the minimal mess route I can take? Oh man, sweating in my eyes. I'm gonna take my helmet off for a minute. Ow, I need to wear a helmet liner. That would help stop the sweat going in my eyes, which is not good here. Okay,
Battery level is low.
what? I mean battery level is low. I just left the house. Somehow I don't think the charging circuit works well. Okay, I guess I will turn this off because I might need it later to leave my final message to the world. Wow, that was muddy. That was very muddy. Okay. May that be the last message for the day. Oh. No smoke. That's good. Last rebuild, it smoked all over after an hour. So far, so good. Don't want to jinx it.